Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Honda Odyssey second row seats. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and the engine is off. Clear any items from around and under the seats to give yourself ample working space. You'll want to have a flathead screwdriver and a blanket ready. The blanket will protect your vehicle's interior and the seats once they are out. Familiarize yourself with the seat's locking points. Now let's focus on releasing the seats. Each second row seat has a release lever, typically found at the front base. Pull this lever firmly upwards to disengage the primary locking mechanism. You should hear a click as it unlocks. Once unlocked, gently tilt the seat forward. This action helps to lift the rear hooks out of their floor mounts, preparing the seat for removal from the vehicle. With the seats tilted forward and disengaged, it's time for removal. Carefully lift each seat straight up and out of the vehicle. These seats can be quite heavy, often weighing over 50 pounds, so consider getting assistance if needed. Be cautious not to scratch your vehicle's interior during this process. Once removed, place the seats on a protective blanket or in a safe area to prevent any damage. Reinstalling the seats is essentially the reverse process. Align the seat's rear hooks with the floor mounts first, then push the seat down firmly until it locks securely. Always double-check that each seat is fully latched before driving. Regularly cleaning the seat tracks can prevent future sticking. For more tips and to check out the Owala water bottle mentioned, please see the description below for links and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.